Hello friends, how are you? Tommy Hilfiger men's classic faux leather jacket is a stylish and versatile piece designed for modern men who appreciate both fashion and functionality. Here's an in-depth look at its features, style, and benefits. The jacket typically showcases a timeless silhouette, often featuring a clean, streamlined look that complements a variety of outfits. The faux leather gives it a sophisticated appearance while ensuring it's animal-friendly. The classic color palette, usually consisting of blacks, browns, and sometimes deep hues, allows for easy pairing with both casual and semi-formal attire made from high-quality faux leather. The jacket offers a soft feel while mimicking the look of genuine leather. This material choice not only promotes ethical fashion but also makes the jacket more accessible in terms of price. Faux leather is generally easier to care for, as it tends to resist stains and can be wiped clean. The Tommy Hilfiger jacket is designed with comfort in mind. It often includes features like a quilted lining, providing warmth without bulk. The fit is usually tailored but not overly restrictive, allowing for easy layering over sweaters or hoodies. The sleeves and hem are often adjustable, ensuring a snug fit. Many versions come equipped with practical elements like zippered pockets for secure storage of essentials, such as your phone or wallet. Some jackets may also feature interior pockets, enhancing their functionality. The front zip closure is often complemented by a snap button placket, adding to the jacket style while ensuring it stays securely closed. This jacket can be effortlessly styled for various occasions. Pair it with jeans and a t-shirt for a casual look, or layer it over a button-up shirt with chinos for a smart casual ensemble. It transitions well from day to night, making it a great addition to any wardrobe. Caring for a faux leather jacket is typically straightforward. It's recommended to wipe it down with a damp cloth to remove dirt and maintain its appearance. Avoid exposing it to excessive heat or direct sunlight to prevent any potential damage to the material. The Tommy Hilfiger men's classic faux leather jacket stands out as a fashionable, ethical, and versatile choice for those looking to elevate their wardrobe. Whether you're heading out for a casual day or dressing up for an evening out, this jacket is a reliable option that combines style and practicality. Its classic design ensures that it remains